Alright! Woohoo! Okay, let's get the window open. Let's think about what we're going to do to take off. Oh, fresh air. Okay, so the wind was pretty much straight down the nose, which is fine. But that took a long time getting her down, right?
A lot of weight.
A lot of weight, but you don't want to do any big aggressive things.
See, as soon as you pull power back, it just
Oh, that first one where I like that's what I'm used to kind of taking out, and we just go whoop.
Yeah, exactly. You got to be really cautious.
So absolutely. So
Very structural, really nice landing. You had power in. As you can see, we need more power than normal.
absolutely.
Other than that, it was great.
Right, so what we're gonna do there? How you feeling about there, man? You enjoy that landing?
It's great,
That's a fun approach, right over the top of there. That's one of the best you can do around here. And that's got a greasy landing. When it's super smooth, that's a greaser. So here we are. This is kind of lake for you. Now, usually we do an approach, we do a takeoff, but we've gone so fucking far past it that we're just gonna take them straight down the pike here, and we're gonna come up and climb over Predator Ridge here.
It's over here, yeah.
So called because of all the birds of prey up there. Look at me doing the tour guide thing.
Tour guide.
Okay, so let's prepare for takeoff here.